Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you have kids who just went trick-or-treating and they have those plastic Halloween pumpkin buckets, don't just throw them away. I'm going to show you how to transform it into this beautiful, elegant Thanksgiving front porch decor. If you are new to my channel and like to be a part of the KK family, hit that notification and subscribe button so you don't miss a video. Without further ado, let's get to it. So first thing we are going to do is take our 3 Halloween buckets and we are going to spray paint them white, and you also want to remove the wire at the top of the bucket. This is going to take about, I want to say, 4 coats of white spray paint until you get it the white consistency that you want. Next, we are just going to paint this mop bucket black. I have tried Walmart and Dollar Tree. Apparently, potted plants are out of season right now, so you cannot buy a pot. So I just took a red mop bucket from Dollar Tree, and now I'm going to paint it black, and that will be the pot. So now once you are done with that, we are just going to stack our 3 pumpkins up and take the lid off of this container that I got at Dollar Tree, and we are going to take some small screws and screw them all around to secure it in place. You also want to make sure that the 3 pumpkin heads are all stacked on one side so you can hide that. So you don't want like one jack-o'-lantern face in the middle and then the 2 are just the backs. So yeah, we're just going to place screws throughout this entire thing to make sure that it is secure in place and will not fall over or move or come. Once we are done with that, we are just going to place that off to the side, and we are going to grab a cardboard box and we are just going to place it on top of our pot and draw a huge circle, and we're going to cut that out and hot glue that on top of our pot, and that's where our pumpkins are going to sit on. And as you can see here, once we put our cardboard box on top of it, you can still see some of that red. So I'm just going to take some of that black paint and just go over those spots so you can no longer see those red spots. Okay, so once we are done with that, we are just going to take our cardboard box and stack our pumpkins on top of it, and then take some screws and screw them into the bottom to secure the pumpkin into the cardboard box. And then we're going to also screw the cardboard box onto the bucket so that it does not move and it stays in place. Now I'm just going to drill some holes into our cardboard box all around it, and this is where our flowers are going to sit to hide the box. You just want to move them around any way you can, just so that the cardboard box doesn't show at all. And these flowers I got from Dollar Tree, and I thought they were super cute and super like fall. So right here is a huge fail that I did. I just ended up cracking the container up, which I was originally just trying to drill some holes in it, which clearly did not work out in my favor. And as you're going to see here, I'm going to attempt to still work with it and eventually get fed up with it and go to styrofoam, which I should have used in the beginning. So I forgot to show this part, but I threw the lid out and I hot glued the styrofoam onto my lid, and now I am just trying to cover up the lid in the styrofoam, which would have made my life easier if I would have just painted the lid white. And I did eventually end up painting it white, but I did not show it in this video. So if you have a different color lid, I would recommend painting it white so it won't be so hard to cover up with flowers. So now I'm going to take this ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree, fold it in half, and tie it around the middle of our pumpkins. And then I'm just going to make a bow and put that where I tied it to hide that knot. And that basically completes this look. I'm so sorry for the background. I tried to find a spot that would have good lighting and also show you what I was doing. But you can also turn these pumpkins into a snowman for Christmas and change out the flowers and add a hat on top if you like. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.